We have been traveling full-time for over a year now and have visited 39 states and 2 countries in the van. But we are not living on an unlimited budget. We both work very flexible jobs that we can travel with. So while most of the time you see us visiting and exploring new places, we are both working behind the scenes. Nnyji stays in the van, working remotely and taking care of the cats, while I am working as an independent contractor for different companies. In this video, I will show you how I find entry-level jobs with no application or prior experience needed. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can get these jobs. Here's how it works. Instawork is an app where you can find temporary entry-level jobs. When you download the app, you can easily create an account to get started. Once you sign up, it shows you different jobs that are available near you. You can grow your profile by doing shifts and making connections. The company you work with can rate you based on your work ethic. When you click on a shift to book, it will tell you the company it's with, their requirements, time, and location. You have 15 minutes to cancel a booked shift. Otherwise, your rating will suffer. While booking, you must agree to all terms and pass a background check. You can make up to $150 per shift, totaling over $1,000 per week, and then you're ready to work. There are 4-tier achievements: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. If you complete 15 shifts in 1 month, you can become platinum and be paid more. Here I am coming back from one of my shifts now. I have worked many different kinds of shifts, but this week were night shifts. So I come back to the van early in the morning and sleep until early afternoon. This is not always the case. I sometimes work normal day shifts, but this company required night shifts to be fulfilled. During the day, or on my off days, we like to explore the town we're visiting. Whether it's on a hike or visiting the beach. I am going to show you how a typical shift goes for me doing an entry-level job. For my night shifts, Nnyji prepares the dinner for me since I won't be back until 6 a.m. I usually ride my bike to the shift, grab a work shirt, then hop on a shuttle that takes me to my post for the day. My job today requires for me to be security. I have done over 15 different jobs for different companies with Instawork. I have worked security, in a warehouse moving furniture, an usher at basketball games, organized medical kits, cashier at baseball games, and more throughout the country. I can easily change my location in the app to accommodate our travel. So, I can book gigs in Oregon while we're visiting, and if I need shifts in Rhode Island, I can change my location. I have worked these shifts in 10 different states so far. I find this to be the best solution for quick money because you need little to no experience. You don't have to show your resume or credentials for the jobs offered, and you don't have to fill out an application. Just arrive with common sense and good work ethic. You can also opt to be paid weekly or cash out immediately after the shift. There are many jobs available for ages 18 plus. Instawork is available in the United States and Canada. They are also expanding into India and other hub cities. Nnyji has also done a shift in the past for quick money. She doesn't have any experience with general labor, but she was able to immediately book a shift. We hope you enjoyed a look into how I afford to live in a van. Let us know if you decide to try Instawork. Anyone can do it for quick money, whether you need to make some extra cash or you need it as a full-time job because the job market sucks.